sky. C is for Chartreuse, so quiet and blue. D is for Devon Rex with curls fresh and new. E is for Egyptian, mouth fast on its feet. F is for foals, whose ears look so neat.
G is for German Rex, wavy and small.
H is for Himalayan, the fluffiest of all. I is for Indian Billy, a street cat so wise. J is for Japanese bobtail with tail short in size. K is for Karat with fur silver gray. L is for La Perm, whose curls love to play.
M is for Maine Coon, so big and so bold. N is for Norwegian, for is strong in the cold.
O is for Osicat, a wild look-alike. P is for Persian, with fur soft as light. Q is for Queen, a mom cat with pride. R is for Ragdoll, who loves to be tied. S is for Siamese, with eyes shining bright.
T is for Turkish Van, who swims with delight.
U is for Ukrainian Lefkoy, with ears folded tight. V is for Vankita, see all white in the light.
W is for Wildcat, fierce in the land.
X is for Solo Cat, wait, that's not at hand.
Y is for York Chocolate, rich brown in hue. Z is for Zanzibar Cat.
Okay, that one's new. Now you know cats from A to Z. So many to love, so many to see.